rev matching allows me to just get on the brakes and not have to worry about heel and toe. It's sort of like old meets new, you know, you've got a little bit of that technology helping you. You can see Marcus is warming up now. I've got to stretch myself a little bit more now. As you'd expect, I mean, he's driving an M140. Probably his tyres were probably coming up to temp as well. But I'll tell you what I do love about these little Hyundais is they're just up for it. You know, track warranty, and you know, you can have a play in the hills like this and come back for more. I think I actually clipped one of those reflectors then. Okay, we're having a bit of a go. Okay, cycle. It's good, we're looking after the other road users. Oh, he gave us the bird. We moved right over, but I think he just didn't like that. Because he got scared. Here's a tip, get up early if you're going to cycle. Don't ride the mountains at 5 o'clock in the afternoon. Always look through the car in front of you at the road, racetrack or fun track. That diff is really good. Here's that power, look at that. But it's not a racetrack with a big long straight, so we can catch up. Alright, 37 PSI right hand side, 36, so tyres are about bang on, that's good. Timer 5:33. Very good. So I think I can still play with my BMW buddies by the looks of this. Different cars, very different cars. They arrive at this quick cross-country speed in different ways, but fun. And I'm just glad that I'm able to repeat and do lots of fun drives like this without having to worry about the reliability side of things with cars. So pretty cool, pretty cool.